Most people in Colorado right now think that it is not a good time to buy or sell real estate due to these higher interest rates. But that's actually not always true. In fact, right now has some very unique opportunities that a lot of people are taking advantage of. Right now, buyers, they have more negotiation power. So they have the ability to actually get the price of the home below listing price. Sellers, on the other hand, right now they're facing a lot less competition, allowing them to get their home sold if priced correctly. Unlocking this advantage is simple and actually really easy. And the best part, it really doesn't have that much to do with waiting for these interest rates to drop, forcing these bidding wars, and just making it a lot more stressful of an experience. The key to unlocking this huge advantage is actually all about education. Right now, it's more important than ever to rely on getting valuable educational resources, so when that time does come, you're prepared. If you haven't already found these, I have completely free 2024 buyer and seller guides. These are an incredible resource to educate yourself and know the complete process of buying or selling a home from A to Z. Whether you're currently in the market to buy or sell a home, or maybe you're just wanting to be prepared for 6 months or 2 years from now, get these resources, get educated, and when that time comes, you are going to be in a much better position to act accordingly. Just remember, don't wait, because this incredible advantage is not going to last forever, and things are going to change soon. So hit that link below, get a free copy of this buyer and seller guide, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help.